All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you basically how to use a sledgehammer on the tire. Now, this is, we often see a lot of the MMA guys and fighters guys do this. These guys actually, most of them do it right, but I've also been to gyms. I've also seen videos. I've also had clients train with other trainers and they come here and they're doing it completely wrong because there's a way, maybe there's many ways, but I believe there's a few ways, but this is one of the right ways to do it. So also it's an exercise where I've seen people get hurt because they just think you pick up the sledgehammer and you hit the tire. So the first thing is, right, you want to widen your stance, have a nice base, knees bent. My hips are back, my core is engaged, right? I'm not just here, boom, boom, I'm solid to the ground. Second thing, you want to measure the sledgehammer and the distance of it, okay? Then I pick up the sledgehammer up here, it goes over the head. Let me move here so I don't bust my light. It goes over the head and it comes down. What happens is when it goes up, the sledgehammer slides down and you come here. Now the idea behind it is that every time I'm using the sledgehammer and I'm pounding at the tire, I'm putting my hips behind it, which means it looks like this. So it goes up, body goes up, and I drive it with my hips and my whole body. I'm not just doing, no, I'm here, it lifts, power, my whole body. And I drive it in with the hips. Again, we're looking at being able to teach you guys how to be explosive, how to use those hips as well, how to have a solid base, and how to maximize your power when you're striking. This is an exercise that's gonna put all that together. So when I'm doing the sledgehammer, I'm boom, going down. As I pick it up, it slides up. As it goes down, I'm using my whole body, lowering my center of gravity, keeping my core engaged, keeping my core engaged, and slamming it down on the tire. So when you do this, you gotta go slow. You can't just pound this shit out because you're gonna get injured. I've seen people hit the floor. I've seen people hit their leg. I've seen people get hit with a sledgehammer in the head. So start slowly. Start by aiming the sledgehammer. Take your time. Good position. Lower your center of gravity. Figure out your distance. Pick up the sledgehammer. Bring it up over your head. It slides down and it goes with the whole body. Comes up, I come up, bend the knees with the whole body. Come up, slide down with the whole body. Now, I would do about 20 on one side, 20 on the other side. Take a little break, do 3 sets of these. Again, there's a few ways that you could do this. This is probably, I believe, the most efficient and best way to, again, to get the maximum out of this exercise. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.